Hey family, welcome back to another video with your favorite auntie. I love y'all so much. Thank you for coming back again, honey. If you're here, picking up the phone, hanging out with me. So look, at the top of the video, let me take the stress from some of you who are so concerned about the amount of paint that is on the driveway and in the garage. Oh my goodness. All you need is a power wash. Sure. Pressure washer. Pressure washer, power washer, same thing. And just spray it away. Simple as that. A little bit of acetone for the inner part of the garage and you are good to go. So hopefully some people's OCDs can rest. Okay, so today on the agenda, we are just going to finish cleaning up the stuff here. And then we're going to redo those two pieces that I just set out. And I want to just move the white out of the way so that granddaughter can come and pick it up. And this little table right here that we'll work on shortly, I feel like it's perfect to go with her set. So anyway, again, thank you guys for coming out again to hang out with your favorite aunt, and I hope you enjoy today's chilled video. Won't be a whole lot because it's hot here in North Carolina and I have taken maybe 30 breaks, so just enjoy me working and you not knowing what's going on behind the edits. So since I decided to pair this with the French provincial set, well, dressers, because of the shape of the legs, I feel like it goes with that time and the era as well. I wanted to make it a little bit different, but still very similar to it. So I decided to see what was underneath the top layer right here and see what type of wood we have. And we definitely have some great wood here. So I'm just going to sand this top part down, scuff sand the sides and legs, and then put the same color paint on the base, but keep the top natural and just do a sealant on it. Give it something, you know, different, modern, but still paying ode to that French style and keeping it very classy.
She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You
if I said it or not, but I do hope you guys are having a great day today. I hope you are in the most positive place you can possibly be in your life, no matter what you got going on. Trust me, I understand when life hits you sometimes, and I mean, it can hit you hard and it can hit you all at one time, and how you looking around and up like, what is going on? I understand. But the simple fact that you're even able to say what is going on is the blessing. Because what is the ladder? So we make the best of it, right? So I hope you're in the most positive, peaceful, healthy place you could possibly be in your life currently. You and your family. On nothing but the best for all y'all that are watching. And continue to watch.
Everything I'm dreaming of, hey, the one that I can live without, can't live without. Time after time after time, I'm wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause
I don't know if you can see that little area right there that's still shaded in front of me, but I'm working with limited time here. Now it's the top of the day here around about 7:45, and as the day move on, that area is going to be engulfed with sun, so I'll be limited. But anyway, real quick, I'm gonna bleach this wood because as you can see, even though it's beautiful, it does have that reddish undertone that I don't care for. I want a more grayish, more weathered whitewash look without the whitewash finish. So I'm just going to bleach the wood using Clorox and the natural sun. Also, if you do this method, let the Clorox dry completely in between you adding more Clorox to get the desired lift that you want. But it does a wonderful job putting it in the sun. And you need the sun to help actually dry it out completely evenly also.
told you so extra, but I know I'm the same. Yeah. Love me in spite of my trauma. Give me what I need instead of the drama. Cause when it pop off, it's like, oh my. All good all day, but the night we be going so hard on the flip side. So tell me what we on a day, babe. I could keep that same energy. When you go low, I go low too. But you'd rather stay high, I know.
This was definitely one of those projects that after I've gotten started on it, I'm kind of like, golly, do I want to finish it? But I love this piece so much for some reason. It is just so whimsical to me. I don't know. And I think it's just going to be so perfect for her. Yeah, but it's very intricate, as you can see. All the little loops and swirlies. It's not a flat, very easy to work with surface with all the curves. So this is going to be quite the piece to even prime multiple times and paint. Oh my goodness. Even if I was to, oh my goodness, a plane is crossing over. I'm on the patio. You already know. But even if I was spray painting this, it would still lose a lot of paint spray painting it because it'll blow everywhere. You're still not gonna get the spray paint to land on those curved pieces like you think you'd be able to. You'd lose a lot of it. And then you hear Rem in the background barking. Again, this is real life. So yeah, continue to watch.
We could go all night.
feel collected, but you pushing on my nerves. And I know in your intention, I'm under pressure. Okay, I'm admitting that a couple things I said got acidic in the tone, in the presence I get careless. Long as you know I come with imperfections. When you look at me, you see the soul through my flesh. You something special. Know you looking bomb, the way you dressing, gone flex it, hold it still and let my mind digest. You got the leverage, you got the upper handle on the situation. You worthy of a million more of the storms that we weather. We fight retreating, then fuck, but you trying to kill the cycle. When nobody stressing that body like me, I know the way you like it. I treat you like a queen, run the castle, you a treasure. Feel like you setting fire to my desire for the pleasure. You a gem, got me blim, let's make amends. Know you can, I'm out here
trying to control our emotions. If we on the right side of passion, we can share love in the